Are there any traditions you guys do in theater?
We meet here every Halloween, actually. Well, our Ouija boards are in the back, so someone grabs it and we play around a bit, just to see what happens.
So when did you guys start this?
Well, the theater's been doing it since our B first opened, I guess. I only joined last year, since before that.
Anyways, I've actually brought in a Ouija board today. Can you show me what you guys do?
Sure. Ever played with a Ouija board before?
No, not really.
It's nothing to be scared of, really.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, just a harmless bit of messing around.
I guess.
Nervous?
A little.
No reason to be. Is anyone there? B I L L Y. Billy, when were you alive?
A L W A Y S. What does that mean?
R B H S.
Emily, can you cut? This is getting kind of creepy.
Okay, guys, that's good enough. Let's pack up.
I have to go.
Fine.
Matt, is this normal?
Well, the PAC isn't exactly new.
This is creepy. They really need to fix this old place.
Yeah, someday.
I'll be right back.
Can you help me with this?
Hold on. Yeah, hey Mom. We're just finishing up. We're packing up everything, and then I gotta take Mia home. But I'll be home in a bit. Yeah, what's up? Whoa, sorry, the lights just flickered. They've been going in and out on deck. It's kind of unnerving, really. I'm gonna go finish helping them pack up, and then I'll call you when I'm taking Mia home. Okay? Love you.
Matt, can you help me with this? Matt, did he leave?
I guess. I really want to get out of here.
Matt's supposed to give me a ride home. Maybe I can check outside.
Whatever. Just get back here soon.
Matt?
H E L L O. Hello? Where are me and Matt? G O N E. Gone?